If Adobe Lightroom is suddenly showing error 16, don't worry. This is usually a permissions issue, and in this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step. This guide is for Lightroom Desktop, and the main goal is to repair the Adobe licensing folder permissions so Lightroom can open normally again. Make sure you stay until the end, because the last step is important and often gets missed. And if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, let's start with the simplest fix. Close Lightroom completely if it's open, then right-click the Lightroom icon and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app the permissions it may need to launch properly. If Lightroom opens after this, great, but if error 16 still appears, continue with the next steps. Now we need to fix the most important folder, which is the SLStore folder. Open File Explorer and go to C, Program Files 86, Common Files, Adobe, SLStore. Once you find that folder, right-click it and select Properties. Go to the Security tab and then click Edit. Here, make sure both users and administrators have full control enabled. If they don't, select each one and allow full control, then click Apply and OK. This step is critical because Lightroom depends on this Adobe licensing folder to verify permissions correctly. Next, we'll do the same thing for the Adobe PCD folder. Go to C, Program Files 86, Common Files, Adobe, Adobe PCD. Again, right-click the folder, open Properties, and go to Security. Click Edit, then give users and administrators full control just like before. Apply the changes and close the window. This second folder is also part of Adobe's licensing system, so if its permissions are blocked, Lightroom can throw error 16. After that, check the folder settings themselves. Right-click the same folders and make sure Read Only is not forced on. If you see a Read Only attribute enabled, remove it and apply the change. Sometimes Windows keeps these folders locked down too aggressively, and that can stop Lightroom from validating the license files it needs to run. Now the final step is to run Adobe Creative Cloud as administrator. Find the Creative Cloud app, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Then sign in again with the Adobe account linked to your Lightroom subscription. This refreshes the licensing connection and can clear out the error after the permission fixes are applied. Once Creative Cloud has reopened, try launching Lightroom again. In many cases, Lightroom error 16 should now be gone. If the problem was caused by folder permissions, this sequence usually fixes it completely. If this helped you get Lightroom running again, please like the video so more people can find this fix, and subscribe because I post simple step-by-step tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.